friends, this is Aditi from Jasmine DIY. Today I'm back with the video, and today something I've never done in this channel, well, kinda did it, and I'm doing a room tour of my new house. And this is just my room tour, this is not the whole house tour. So let's get into the video, but before we do, remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Now let's actually get into the video. I'm starting off with this. So there's 3 doors. You guys better guess which one's my room. So yeah. So I'm gonna tell you guys now. This is just a closet. We keep our things in here like that. And this is my sister's room. And you guessed it right if you guys guessed this room, because this is my room. So let's get into my room. So this is my room. Let's start off with this side. This is the nightstand part of my room. So how this works is that up here I have let me just close the door. Up here I have this whiteboard that says sometimes later becomes never, because it's like a quote. I want to wake up because it's right next to my bed. When I wake up and look at it. So that's that. And I never erase it. It's been there for like a long time now. And then here, down here is my nightstand. And if you guys want to know, the carpets are like this gray color. And I really like them because they're not white and they don't get dirty. But here I have this wrapping paper because, you know, Christmas is here and I'm going to give away some gifts to my friends. So I have some wrapping paper right there to give the gifts from, because I'm still going to wrap them. And then here I have 2 drawers. I don't keep a lot of things in here because I just have this science kit I got from my school, and then some more Halloween gifts. And then down here I have like just instructions that came with all of my furniture, because this was a bed set except my desk. I just keep them in that drawer. It's not focusing. But yeah. And then here, okay, now it's focusing. And then here I have a LED light remote, because I have LED light strips. I have this remote for it. And then here I have like a journal for 2021. I haven't really wrote anything except my friends' birthdays, because it's not 2021 yet and I don't know what I'm going to do really. So that's that. And then here I have a bucket list I made with my friends. We decorated all of it. We did all of it. So yeah, I have a lot of things. There's more things in here I'm going to get. And then that's one thing. Some things, I mean. And then here I have fake plants. I really want my room to have a lot of plants. It's the theme I'm kind of going for. So this is like kind of like the first plant I have, but it's fake. And then here I have a painting I drew. This is just a shadow from the plant. It's a pineapple because it's like a cool theme. It will go with my room. Then I just did like a and an I, because my friend kind of helped me with that, but like not a lot. I kind of did the main part. She just helped me like put the strip down. And then here I have a board I got from my dance competition. Here is just like an Indian god. It's a face of an Indian god right there. It just says things from there. And then here I have a whiteboard marker. So because I have a whiteboard up there, I have some markers here. I actually have a lot of markers. And there's a pen. I don't know why, but there's a pen in there. Well, because I always like to write things maybe sometimes on my nightstand. And then here, I already showed you guys. And here is my bed. And it's a little messy from here because I sat on it. But we can fix that really quickly. But this is how my bed looks. I have an extra whiteboard. I haven't opened this, but I probably need this because of school. I bought that because of school. Down here, I have some shelves. Here, I keep all my books. And even here, there's more books. And then here, I have this thing because sometimes we want to sit on the floor. I have this little thing we sit on, or sometimes I need to change sheets, I use this because this is sheets. It's just that we use it. So I keep like extra emergency thing. I have masks. I have more masks, but they're like in the washer. So that's one of them. It's gray. Here is my comfortable bed. So I have this Paris type of like sheets. I have new sheets. This is just temporarily because if you guys didn't know, this all that's over here is for queen bed because we just bought this. We don't have any sheets. We bought some new sheets. That's coming. So this is just like a queen size bed sheet that we folded, and then we have an adventure pillow, which is just a pillow, and then here's our Paris matching sheets for that. That's that. And then the sad thing is I only have one window, but the good thing is I have LED lights around it. And then if we go close, there's all the wire mess over there, but we don't have to worry about it. And then I had to put this up all myself because my parents were like, you can do it yourself. Like, I'm in work right now. So yeah, and I have these like really cute like bird curtains, and then I have shears that it's raining today, so it's really dark. And then here I have some decorations because I have really nothing here. And then I made some snowflakes here, and I just keep them like hanging up on the ceiling like that. And then here is a broken furniture part, and we have that, and it's probably gonna be fixed soon. So yeah, it's really heavy. And here is the part where my closet is. My closet doesn't have any of my clothes, but it's really messy. So if you want to preview, it has clothes, but like not my main clothes. It just has party wear clothes. I have more wires. I have backpacks. This is all what I got for my birthday. I need to show you guys what I got for my birthday, but I'll show you guys that in another video. And here is some game boards I have, and then that's my dance folder. I have game boards. I have more, but that's not in here because we were playing that yesterday. Some crocheting things, because I crochet a lot. And then a thing I made out of like popsicle sticks, and then books. I need like educational books, stickers on the back, Legos. And then here's my art bin. I have a lot of art stuff. You see that? And then here's shelves of art and random things here. And then I keep my bags up here. It's really cool. I keep my bags here. And then here I keep my party wear and my thick jackets and some of my normal clothes there, like when I need it. Close the light. And then let's get in this part of my room. And then here is my dresser. And this is how it looks. If you guys see, it's casting things on the sky. So this is my dresser. Keep all my real clothes, so I'm not going to show you guys. And here is a disco light I use. I actually had this for my birthday, and I got it. And then I really wanted to put it in my room because at night, even though I don't have those star things I want, this is a really good thing, and it really helps. And there's different colors. Right now I'm putting purple on the sky. And here I have another broken piece of the bed. This is actually supposed to be connected to that. It broke. This is the part that broke, and we need to fix it. Here I have me and my my teacher because she left, and we took a picture. That was me in 2nd grade. That's young me. And then I have some supplies like bobby pins, Vaseline, nail polish, and more nail things down there, but like you can't see them. But I have a lot of filers there. I have like fake nails because I actually got fake nails. And here is where I keep my earrings. They're not all here because I actually wear them and I never like kind of put them back. Then I have a packet of it right here, which I never open. And then more earrings on the back. I actually made this with my friend. And some in that box, I have studs. And here is a painting my sister got for her birthday, but like she never puts it in her room, so I put it in my room. Here is a, what do you call it? Here's a yearbook from my school. And here is the trash can. I don't really need to show you. Here's the light. We need to still put this up, but that's the light right now. It's a motion light. And then here is my Christmassy desk because I kind of redecorated it for Christmas. So if you start off from my pillow, I have this really cool A-pillow. And here's my white chair. It's a chair on wheels and a chair with that turns around. I'm gonna sit on it, and here is my desk. Starting from here, I made this Christmas tree. It's a white one. Probably gonna paint it, but if I don't, it's supposed to be like a Christmas tree, for like a snowy Christmas tree with a star on top. And here I have some more fake flowers in this like milk jar. I really like it. My mom made this combination for me, so thank you, Mom. And here is a snowflake I made. It's the same. It's kind of like those ones, except this one's like in a hexagon, and it's like a decoration, like a little mat. Here is all my erasers. This is some skull erasers from Halloween, and then my sharpener eraser. Another painting. My sister made this, and I kept it again. And that was the only painting that I put up that I painted. And here I have my pencils. I have scissors, highlighters, pens, rulers, and then here I have a board. And in this board, I just keep like random things that from school. Like I have some passwords here, and then I have school, and then things like that, and then things we write in school, notes. Another painting I drew. Well, I kind of drew this, not a painting. Here's me and my friend Isha. And here's my headphones, and that is that. There's more down there, but like it's really, and I put like these like Shopkins stickers I had, but I didn't keep the ones that had the Shopkins on them. Just kept the ones with the words. And then here is my computer. It's a Dell computer. I keep it here because I like it there. And here is my desk. I think I already showed you my desk, how it is. Or I didn't show you guys, but I have some markers in the bag. I have sticky notes. I have things like notebooks. I have, these are erasers. I have crayons, and I have some random things like sharpeners, calculator, paper, and tape. And that's what that is. And that is my whole room tour. But here is another preview of my room. Well, review. And that was it. If you guys liked that video, remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye!